When you're planning your makeup tutorial, it's important to think ahead. And one of the things you think ahead on is the before and after scene. So we're going to teach you how to set up for that and edit it. Before we have Tammy put on any makeup at all, we're going to plan some split screens of the before and after. So we're going to have her facing straight on, to the left and to the right. And this is the reason to show off how contrasted she is from the beginning to what she does in the end. We're going to record for 10 seconds so that we have a lot of footage to work with. It's going to feel awkward, but it's okay because with music and then editing, it will look awesome. Ready? Go. And it's okay, she smiled, she winked, she frowned, she smiled again. All right, Tammy, let's go and look to the left. And now, if we hold that position, let's keep rolling. Perfect. All the way to the other side, and go. Let's get to putting makeup on. Now that she's all complete with her makeup, we want to do the after. So we're going to make sure that we do all 3 poses in the same exact way. First pose, straight on, turn to your left, and now the other side. There you have it. That's really all we need. And now we're going to show you how to do this in post. Welcome to post. Here we are sitting with Filmora open, and I'm just going to lay it out for you very quickly and briefly. So we're going to put into Filmora right here the split screen option. So in order to do that, you have your files that we just filmed. And I kind of labeled them beforehand. So here we got the right before, we have the left before, we have the front, before and after, and then here we have the right and left afters. So here's how we do this. Let's click on split screen, and then we're going to use this first 2-screen side-by-side profile. I like that, and that's going to work the best for how we film. So literally highlight and drag down to where you want it in your video. And 1 and 2 videos, and here's the drop zones for them. So that's actually where we take the videos from our media cache and drop them in the zone. We also can adjust the border color, so I'm going to make that white, so that's this bar right here. You also can apply the border, so if you want it there, there it is. If you don't, not there. All right, we'll keep it. Let's use this before shot for drop zone 1, and then we're going to do the front after for drop zone 2. So this is the first pose setup. Notice that they're not in the correct beginning mark. So you can do that right here with this little cursor drag icon. You highlight the little black dot, and we're going to drag it to the right spot in the video where we want her posing. So I'm kind of seeing, there's a good spot. She's smiling, she's looking up, that's a good one. And then for the after, let's see how that looks. And you can test it out by just hitting play right here, and we'll watch this out.
I'm loving this one. What about?
A lot of bad audio happening there. I forgot one thing. If you notice up here, you can also mute both the videos, because we just have music rolling on down here, and that's what we want to keep it at, not the new audio that was over the video. So I noticed this was wrong, so let's change that. That looks good. Yeah, there we have it. I think that looks amazing. So any questions? I got a split.
I hope you like it. Subscribe.